Hey babe, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, choose your fave. If you are a returning subscriber, so happy to have you back. As you can see, this gorgeous unit I got is from Weskis Hair. Let us get into these braids, honey. This unit is a 13x6 HD water wave lace front wig unit. It was pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. It came just like this, and I am living for the hairdo. It's from their Ready to Go collection. This unit is definitely a game changer. If you guys knew it came just like this, you will probably think I'm lying, but I'm gonna insert the clip of when I took it out the bag. It came just like this. I didn't even have to cut the lace, which I think is insane. Bleaching this unit I didn't have to do, and as you can see, it's blended really well. This unit is glueless. I did a glueless method, so I know I don't have to use any type of adhesive, and it can be easily taken off, which gives the wig more of longevity. But in today's tutorial, we are going to get into this install, honey. It was super quick, super easy. I got this done in under 20 minutes. So let me go ahead and show you how to install this gorgeous unit from Weskis Hair. Weskis just keeps getting better and better, more creative and more innovative. This wig isn't even on my head good, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit real quick using my glueless method. So let's get into it. and this is the finished install. This is from their ready to go wig collection. It is a 250 density water wave pre-braided, pre-plucked, pre-bleached and pre-cut lace wig unit. It is 13 by 6 HD lace and it is in 26 inches. I did do a little chop so that all the ends could be straight, and I'm loving it just like this, but I promise you I took off not even 2 inches. But this is what it's looking like. I'm loving the hair dried down. This texture is gorgeous and I'm living for the convenience and how easy it was to install this unit. And if you are a beginner, this is definitely for you. If you are looking into trying wigs with styles and you don't really know what to get, or you can't really style your lace, you see the hairstyles on Instagram, TikTok, wherever, and you want to try the styles, they do it for you, honey. So this is one of those wigs where, you know, you braid one side and the other and you flip it over. It came straight out the package just like this. One of those braided wigs where you carry the 2 braids from each side and interlock or cross them over each other, pin them down. Not a lot of people can do that, surprisingly, and not really surprisingly, because not a lot of people know how to maneuver and work with and around wigs. So I'm loving the fact that they did this style ready to go, so you could just install it yourself and you don't have to have that hassle of styling the wig. It literally came with the edges already out. All I had to do was curl them and style them. So I'm just loving this whole entire install for me. She's eating. The hair is gorgeous. I did not experience that much shedding at all. Now that I think about it, I barely had any shed hairs from this unit, which is good. And I know this 250 density is gonna hold up really well. So I'm gonna have this wig with the hair on it retaining really nice over the next couple months or even years. I've had wigs from Westkiss that I've had for years. The hair is gorgeous and it is long lasting, and this wig is definitely going to be one of those durable ones. And I know all I can do is pull out the style, try something new, do something else, or just keep it as is just in case I want to do the style again without doing it. And if you'd like to purchase this wig unit, which is actually super affordable, don't forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box, because Westkiss Hair is also going to have some coupon codes down there just for you guys to go ahead and shop with them. So if you were looking for a gorgeous pre-made, pre-cut, pre-everything wig, this is definitely the one for you. And it's super summertime friendly. I'm loving it and I hope you guys are loving it too. This install was really quick and easy, super simple. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.